Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is September 3rd, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. So what we're going to see here is that the futures, S&P 500 E-mini futures, are trading higher by about 10 points at the moment. They are coming down a little bit. There is a press conference that has just started in Europe with ECB President Mario Draghi. So some comments being made there, and they are moving the markets a little bit. It looks like he's very, very dovish. But again, we'll see how the market plays out when he's all said and done. But right now, we do have futures coming in a little bit off of the morning highs, but nonetheless, they are still positive by about 9 to 10 points. So we'll see how it plays out here, and we'll see what today brings. Yesterday, the market did have a decent rally on its hands, held its gains into the close. We'll see what today brings and where it goes. We got to just remain neutral on this market at this point in time. But nonetheless, we'll see exactly how this all shakes out. All right, some stocks in the news, and that's what's important. Earlier today, we did have some economic news out of the U.S. We had some weekly jobless claims. We also had some more economic data. You could check that out on your own, but let's take a look at some stocks that are moving. First one we're going to start off with today is Joy Global. And Joy Global trading down around $20.40. Stock closed at $22.13. That's a pretty big slip. The company did report earnings. I guess they were below expectations, or the market just didn't like them. Either way, I'm not seeing a lot here for the stock. Now, 20 is what we call a nice trading level against, but you got that bounce there. Next time it comes through 20, this can go lower, so be very, very careful. In sympathy to Joy Global, you're also going to watch Caterpillar today. Caterpillar right now is holding up fine. That's trading at $75.99, closed at $76.10. But anytime one company goes down, Caterpillar could follow suit. So you want to keep Caterpillar on watch today. We could get some day trades. And again, if you want to trade with us, come on over to the intraday stock chat. Yesterday we had a nice gap play in Ambarella, and we also had about 4 or 5 other nice winning trades with no losers. So again, come on over to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing each and every day. And we're having a great 2015, and this is a trader's market. So again, we're going to get a lot more action going forward. Let's take a look at Five Below. Ticker symbol is FIVE. Now, this is a little bit of a lighter volume stock, meaning some days it only trades 200,000-300,000 shares. But right now, the stock is trading around $35. I'm showing some support right around $33.40, and I'm showing more support around $31.75. So keep both those levels on the radar today. If the stock does get down there, there could be a play in Five Below. Ticker symbol is FIVE. Let's take a look at Campbell Soup CPB is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $48. You can see it up there, but there's really no real conviction volume behind it, so you got to be careful there. Nonetheless, it's holding up okay. I believe they came out with some kind of earnings or something. You can check it out for yourself, but we're not seeing a lot of movement. But Campbell will be on our radar once the opening bell rings. So this is a stock we will be looking at today. Next up, let's take a look at Sienna Corp. Good old Sienna. This reminds me of 1995, 1997. In any case, stock is trading at $22.68. Closed at $22.49, so Sienna's holding up okay. I don't really see any problems here. It's holding up okay. We're going to watch this once the opening bell rings. I don't have any levels. If by some chance the stock got up toward the $25 level, it probably is a fade candidate. I'm not even sure you'll see that. You'll also hit a little bit of resistance around $24. So, again, keep some levels on the radar, but we will be looking to trade this after the opening bell at 9:30. Let's take a look at Medtronic. I think they had news as well. I think they had earnings. Stock right now is trading at $71.95, closed at $71.55 yesterday. I'm not seeing a lot here, not much to do, at least at the moment. It's not a big move, but we will keep it on the radar today. Let's take a look at LCI. This here is Lannett Inc. I believe they have some kind of drug approval or something of that nature. Good stock move. Stock closed yesterday at $49.48. It's now trading at $57.80. Did trade briefly above 60. So what I'm thinking is that the stock is hitting against a little bit of resistance up here around $58.50. One thing I would watch for another level would be 61.5 and then 65.33. Those are my levels for this name today, all resistance. Let's take a look at Costco. They have same store sales for the month of August. Right now the stock's trading at 140, 146. no conviction behind it, so we'll have to be a little bit careful. But Costco will be on my radar once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at VRNT, which is Variant. You're going to see this stock's trading at 48.50, closed at 51.65. This is a pretty good little fall here. Right now, you are below the $50 level, so I'm not seeing anything that stands out to me for a great trading level. I will work on this one a little bit more and see what I could come up with. But right off the bat, just the fact that it closed below that $50 level has me a little bit concerned here. So we'll see how this plays out. Again, you're looking at another equity that trades 200,000 shares a day, so it's a little bit tougher to pinpoint exact levels. But nonetheless, we'll see how it plays out. Around the $44.50, $45 level, if it got down there, that could be interesting. And I also think the $40 level is interesting as well. So, again, we'll look at this once the opening bell rings. We'll see where it goes. All right, looking over at the gold market. Gold is getting hit today. That is down $11.40 on spot. Right now, gold futures are trading, I believe, at $11.22 per ounce. So that is a pretty good fall in gold. Right now, you're going to see this trading at 107.53. If you've been an In the Money Stocks member, no surprise here. We hit our max move on gold, and we are now pulling back further. So no real shocker. Let's take a look at the oil market today. Crude oil futures trading down 22 cents to 46.04. And what you're going to see here is that oil has been very volatile as of late. So we'll see where it goes today. We'll see how it plays out. But we are probably somewhat range bound, and oil could be affected by the dollar. The dollar today, for the most part, is stronger. You can see it on my left screen here. Dollar has moved up, and the dollar is showing pretty good strength at the moment. So we'll see how that plays out. All right, everybody, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. With that said, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the chart.